Hey you guys, it's KelcieJanay, and today we're going to be making homemade flaxseed gel. So first of all, you want to get your flax seeds. I got mine from Walmart, and you want to get a small saucepan and a spoon for mixing. And I usually pour about halfway up towards the saucepan of water, and I put my heat on medium, and I begin to pour my flax seeds. It doesn't really matter how much you pour, just as long as you get a good amount. You want to mix them all together so that they are all coated with water and they will begin to boil. So you want to start mixing it together, making sure everything is coated real good, and you're going to be looking for a good string of mucus. And so right here is a little bit too watery and it is not ready. And there's that good old boil. Right here you should begin to see a good string of mucus. See how that slime is coming down? Oh yeah, it's almost ready. After we get a good string of mucus, we are going to set it to the side to cool off for about an hour. After about an hour, you want to get a plastic bowl, and you will see how good and slimy, jelly-like it is. Now it is ready to be used, y'all. It's going to be so good for our hair. And I usually use just a knee-high that I get from Walmart, or you can get from a dollar store, and I put it over the bowl to begin to strain the gel out so that you won't get any seeds in the gel. You want to get all of that goodness inside that knee high so that you can strain all of that gel out. And now the fun part is going to begin. Y'all, this is so messy, so be prepared to get a bunch of slime. See how much is jiggling? Now you are going to get it and squeeze all of the gel out. You can really hit somebody with that bag. Just sock them upside the head. But yeah, you just squeezing all the gel out in the bowl. And this really takes a lot of arm strength, like for real. I was struggling in this video, but I'm glad y'all can't really tell. Hopefully y'all can't tell I'm struggling. But you want to get as much gel out as possible. And like I said, your arms may be hurting after this unless you work out. And I don't work out, so my arms was hurting. And once you finish squeezing, you will see the seeds in the knee high to make sure that you got all the gel out. Well, as much gel as possible. It's kind of hard to get all of it out, but you can see the little bag of seeds right there. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. It's gonna make your curls pop. And usually with this gel, I will put it in an applicator bottle, but I didn't have one, so I just put it in a mason jar, and I'll just use it that way. But of course, they sell applicator bottles at the hair store, or you can use a mason jar. It really don't matter. But here it is, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.